Your kitchen holds a secret. Do you ever feel a little bit stuck, like you are walking in circles sometimes? Maybe you want a change, a new spark in your daily life, something fresh and exciting to learn. Many people feel this way. It is okay. You are not alone in this feeling. Help might be closer than you imagine. The answer could be waiting for you right in your very own home. Yes, I'm talking about your kitchen, that place where you make coffee or maybe just heat up food. It can be so much more than that. Your kitchen can be a place of discovery. It can be a place of joy. Cooking is not just another chore. It is not just about making meals. It can be a path to something bigger, a way to find a new part of yourself. Think of it as an adventure. Learning to cook is a special journey. It is not only about feeding yourself. It is a powerful way to grow. As a person, you become stronger. Each dish you make teaches you something. You learn about flavors and smells. You learn about patience and care. This knowledge builds you up piece by piece. Think about the first time you bake cookies, and they come out just right. Golden brown, chewy, delicious. You made those with your own hands. That feeling is pure joy. It is pride. Or imagine making a simple soup, a soup that warms you from the inside. These small wins are so important. Mastering a new cooking skill feels amazing. Maybe you learn to chop an onion fast, or you make a perfect omelet, or you bake your first loaf of bread. Each success makes you feel more capable. It tells you, I can do this. This feeling starts in the kitchen, but it does not stay there. Your kitchen can be your art studio. Cooking lets your creative side wake up. It is like painting a picture, but you use flavors instead of colors. You choose the ingredients, fresh herbs, bright spices. You decide how to combine them, what will taste good together. Every dish can be your own creation. You can follow recipes, of course. That is a great way to learn, but soon, you will want to experiment. Add a little more garlic here, try a different herb there, maybe invent a whole new dish. This is where the real fun begins. You are not just cooking, you are creating. Chopping vegetables can be very calming. The rhythm of the knife on the board, stirring a pot slowly, watching it bubble. These simple actions can be like meditation. They help you to be present, to focus on what you are doing, right here. Section 4. When things go wrong, kitchen lessons in patience. Sometimes things in the kitchen go wrong. This happens to every cook. Yes, even me. Your cake might not rise as high as you hoped. The sauce might be a little too salty, or maybe you burn the rice. Oops, these moments can be frustrating, but they are also important lessons. They teach us valuable things. Cooking teaches you resilience. That means you learn to bounce back. When a dish does not work out, you do not give up on cooking forever. You think, okay, what happened here? What can I do differently next time? You learn to try again and again. This strength helps in all parts of life. Patience is another gift from the kitchen. Good food often takes time. Bread needs time to rise. Soup needs time to simmer and develop flavor. You cannot rush these things. You learn to wait, to watch, to trust the process. This patience is a wonderful skill. Section 5. Food is love, connecting with others and yourself. Food has a magical way of bringing people together. It has been this way for centuries, across all cultures all around the world. Cooking for others is a deep act of love. It is a way to show you care. You are giving your time, your energy. You are sharing something delicious, something you made with your own hands. Sharing a meal creates special connections. Think of family dinners, or holiday feasts, or a simple lunch with a good friend. Around the table, stories are told, laughter is shared, bonds are made stronger. These moments become cherished memories. Food helps us to connect on a human level. It opens hearts and builds bridges. Cooking for yourself is also very important. It is an act of self-care, of self-love. When you take the time to prepare a meal that nourishes your body, a meal that tastes good to you, you are saying, I matter. My well-being is important. This is a powerful message to yourself. Section 6. Nourish your body, brighten your mind, the goodness of home cooking. When you cook your own meals at home, you have a special kind of power, the power to know exactly what you are eating. This is so important for your body. You choose the ingredients yourself. You can pick fresh, colorful vegetables. You can select good quality proteins. You are in control of your plate. This control means you can make healthier choices. You can use less salt if you want, or less sugar, or less unhealthy fat. Restaurant food can be delicious, but often it has hidden extras. When you cook, you decide. You can make food that truly nourishes you. food that gives you energy and makes you strong. The benefits of cooking are not just physical. Cooking is also wonderful for your mind. The act of creating something delicious, it brings a sense of accomplishment. It can boost your mood, make you feel happy, knowing you are eating well. Section 7. Your culinary journey. Simple steps to a happy kitchen. Are you ready to start your cooking adventure? It is easier than you might think. Begin with small, achievable cooking goals. Do not try to make a fancy feast on day one. Maybe start with a simple soup or learn to make your favorite breakfast. Scrambled eggs or fluffy pancakes. Small successes will build your confidence. Discover what you love to cook. What kinds of foods make you happy? Do you enjoy baking sweet treats? Or do you prefer savory dishes? Explore different recipes. Try new flavors. Find your cooking strengths. What are you naturally good at? Lean into what brings you joy in the kitchen. Practice mindful cooking. This is important. Pay attention to the process. Notice the colors of the vegetables. Smell the spices as they warm up. Listen to the sizzle in the pan. Taste as you go. Adjust seasonings. Enjoy the journey, not just the final dish. This makes cooking a relaxing, joyful act. Keep learning, keep growing. The world of food is endless and exciting.